Hey there! Are you ready to get a colonoscopy? We've got 5 tips to make it way easier for you. First, be mentally prepared. You should get all your questions answered by your doctor and purchase the necessary items. Avoid a fiber-rich diet. You should avoid fiber-rich foods a few days before the procedure. On the day before, stick to clear liquids such as broth and water. Medications. Your doctor will prescribe medications to clear your bowel for a colonoscopy, as dietary changes are insufficient. You need to make sure to take the medication as directed. Stay close to the toilet. You better keep yourself close to the toilet after you take your medication. Medications will likely cause to lose stool, so it's better to be comfortable and nearby. Talk to your doctor. Your doctor is there to address any health concerns that arise during the process and can help alleviate any fears you may have. Was it helpful? Follow a healthy info for more tips.